Hey, welcome my friends to a meditation that is perfect if you have a busy mind, if you're an overthinker, you struggle with self-doubt, or you're a truth seeker who wants to explore more of their true nature. So let's get comfortable and let's begin with your eyes closed or look down towards the floor in a soft gaze. And just allow your mind and body to settle. And we're exploring moving quite quickly in this session into a different state of awareness. It's just an exploration. Let's just see what happens. And I'd like you to begin by dropping all effort to get something from this session. Drop your agenda. Drop all effort. That's the ego, your thinking mind trying to control. And as you begin to drop any effort, you can begin to experience a deeper state of awareness happening all by itself. You may notice that you're experiencing an awareness that's already here. Some of you may be experiencing a feeling of tension beginning to ease throughout your whole state of being as you explore and experiment with dropping all effort. And you may sense that there's a natural expansion of your awareness. And you can notice what arises within your awareness with no effort all by themselves. Thoughts, feelings, sounds, and you might notice that there's an effort to focus on one or more of these. Let that effort drop too. And sense what changes within your awareness when you drop effort, when you stop trying to control your experience. And if your ego, your thinking mind, is focusing on anything that's rising up within your experience, notice where the source of the ego tries to be located. Is there a location? And let it go. Continue to let your state of being simply soften. Explore simply being with no effort at all. And if your mind naturally wanders to thoughts, don't try to control or move your attention back to the breath. Just let these thoughts just come and go. No effort needed at all. dropping all effort lets your subcortical intelligence, which is the deeper intelligence beneath thought that regulates your safety, arousal and presence, lets it move from survival mode so it can settle into a state of regulation. And this, my friend, is the gateway to superconsciousness, the state of being where your own insights, intuition, and inner guidance arise from within. And it's overthinking, stress, self-doubt, and constantly seeking are all created by the ego, trying to control, trying to find certainty for safety. And this practice helps you completely surrender so that you can let go of all control and effort. And what happens then? What do you experience? Could you, for today, notice when your ego is trying to control through tension? And could you let it go? What would that change? What is given space to arise from within? Now give yourself a wonderful inner smile. Can you cultivate a feeling of gratitude for doing this work with me today? And then when you're ready, come back to your surroundings and just rest whilst I explain that sessions like this will help you regulate your subcortical intelligence through the process of letting go so that you can experience your natural state of superconscious being. And that is important because an overworked mind, from the pressures of our culture, stress, overthinking, anxiety, and insecurity, tries to control life even more in an often damaging quest for safety. And it creates illusions, masquerading as your reality, which limit you and hold you back in life. The tension from which makes you restless and stressed, as you know deep down, you could be living a life with more adventure, abundance, contentment, and peace than the one you are living now. Regular practicing of letting go of all control on a deeper level than ever before will help you reprogram your mind to help you create the life you truly want to live. In other words, being more yourself than you've ever been before will transform your life in ways you can't imagine. So please do come back to this type of session. Keep repeating to take your practice even deeper. And if you struggle with your mind and you'd like extra help, please do reach out via the link in the show notes, and you can join my newsletter too. Thank you for your practice. Thank you for being here with me. Remember, my friends, and say it with me. I am you. You are me. We are one. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.